The world's best pizza is from Detroit, and this might be the best one yet. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I just got this. It's actually a 3-pack that I ordered from Goldbelly. It's from the Detroit Style Pizza Company. So obviously, they specialize in making Detroit Style pizza. Now, it comes frozen just like this, and I put it in the freezer so it's frozen pretty hard. And what you can see here is it's just wrapped in plastic, and we have the sauce drizzled on there, the cheese. This is actually very Detroit stylish because the cheese and the sauce is kind of alternated, and sometimes you'll put the cheese on first, and then you kind of do stripes with the sauce, and then you can see we have that large focaccia-like deep dish dough on it, which is pretty cool. Now, I have not opened this up. It's still sealed and safe. I'm actually preheating the oven. The instructions say that if it's frozen, to preheat to 375 and then bake for 25 minutes. So let's do it and see what it's like. All right, temperature is 375. So we are going to just bake this bad boy for 25 minutes. All right, timer has gone off here, so I'm gonna call it. And man, dude, smells delicious. I am just going to let this rest here for a second, but man, that looks great. You can see, oh man, super caramelized, toasted edges. I can smell the cheese. It's letting off some delicious steam right now. So, I don't know how long I can wait. It's not gonna be long. So I don't wanna be a pig about it, and I just wanna cut myself what I wanna eat here. Cool. If you have not had Detroit style pizza here, you are definitely missing out. So this is what it looks like. It is a hearty pizza. And I try to get it whenever I can because it's not super available here. Dude, that's great. 25 minutes was perfect on this thing. It is done all the way through. It is light and fluffy on the inside. It is crunchy, and spicy on the outside, loaded with cheese, lightly toasted on the top, and man, the big chunks of tomato and sauce are awesome. All right, listen, I love the Detroit style pizzas that I've tried. Even Little Caesars pan pizza is a pretty good representation for easily accessible pizza, but this is about as close as I have been able to find without going down to Woodward and hitting up Buddy's Pizza. So if you're looking for a little slice of Detroit, or if you would love to try the best pizza money can buy, I would definitely check this out. Highly recommended. Now, to get this from anywhere other than Detroit area itself, you have to order it on Goldbelly as far as I can tell. So I will put a link to that in the description below, but I need to be left alone for a little while so I can finish this sucker up. That's it. Peter Von Panda, out.